Hi, let's check the sentiment. Okay, this is sentiment and this is my sentiment. As you see, this sentiment is better, really better. So for example, here it show low, here short, but here my indicator show buy, should give long signal. So this indicator is better, this sentiment. But problem is this indicator is private. We cannot use this code. So how we can use this? How we can use this code to make a strategy to see result? Okay, this code is private, but there is no problem. There is one way that I will tell you. Let's here I have an indicator, for example my copy, okay, and in this indicator, in sentiment that his code is private, we have two things, plot and bearish divergence. We need plot, okay, we need this to plot. So we write up 1 equal to input source and up 2 equal to input source. So when I add it to first I check to then I plot up 1 and up 1 color, for example color to green, and then plot up 2 and color to red. I add it to chart, and as you see it's different from this, but here because we added input dot source, we have some new input, sentiment plot, and again sentiment plot. As you see, no, it's same. Can you see? No, it's same. This is up 1, it's come here, if as you see, no, it's correct, okay, it's same. If I no, shall I add it? Yes, on kilos I change it to, I change up 1, we need up 1. As you see, it's the same, okay. So now we can access to this plot, to plot up this, okay, we can access to this. This is our plot, this is plot, as we can access, have to. So we say but we need one thing else too, it's this line. This line is 0 here, okay. So let's we delete this and make it as a strategy, we say if kilos is higher than up 1, we say if up 1 is higher than 0 and previous up 1 is less than 0, okay. It's mean here for this, here previous up 1 is less than 0 and current up 1 is higher than 0. Strategy dot entry long strategy dot long, and if up one is enough, and if up one is less than 0 and previous up one, here I should write previous up is higher than 0, a strategy that entry ID short strategy direction is a strategy that short. Save as a strategy. Here I should change it to a strategy. I changed this. I changed this except this. Okay. I add it to, yeah, let's I do one thing as I change this to true. So now I add it on chart. Okay, as you see there is no position because our source is on killers. We change our source to sentiment plot. As you see now here we have a buy position because previous is sell. Here we have a buy position, previous is sell. Here a sell position, here a buy position. Okay, so yeah, this is result. Also we can add later TP and SL. Okay, so you know understand how to add how to use a private, how you can use a private script in TradingView.